if you want to get the things center and style and so on, it is very easy because, for example, if you get here in the top one, so if you go to the if you see in the left, you have a Magical People Wellness Retreat selected. So
Yeah.
you need to click on the top one, and we're going to work with the top one. Okay, and you see that is release and receive. Okay, perfect. So the copy looks a little bit thing, so you can change that. Perfect. Okay, so so you are now in this headline widget, and the things that all the widgets have in common is this thing. One thing is content, that it is different depending on which object you are using. Then you have a style where you can change the kind of type of letters and so on that you have. And you have advanced, where you can change things like the margins and the padding and so on. Okay, so right now in content, what you might like to do is go down to alignment. And if you want to put it in the center, you can just, center.
Oh.
So easy.
Oh, nice.
Okay, perfect. So let's say you want to make it green, as it was in the other one.
So go to the left.
No, so you can just go to style. You just, okay. So once you click here, you are already editing that.
Okay.
Because you see the title, release and receive. That means that you are already editing that. Okay.
Oh, style
So you
here.
are good. Yeah. So you go to style, and then you can change the text color. Okay. And you can do it green like the other one, or you can make it gray as it was before, or whatever you want. You can do.
Good.
Yeah, perfect.